In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ConvertKit landing page builder. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First, for those who might be new to ConvertKit, it's a powerful tool for email marketing that helps creators like you grow their audiences. One of its standout features is the landing page builder, which allows you to create beautiful, high-converting landing pages without needing any coding skills. So, whether you're launching a new product, building your email list, or just trying to gain more visibility, landing pages can be incredibly helpful. To get started with the landing page builder, you'll first want to log in to your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, look for the Landing Pages and Forms option on the main dashboard. Click on that, and it will take you to a section where you can see your existing landing pages if you have any. Now, to create a new landing page, look for a button that says Create New or New Landing Page. Go ahead and click it. This will lead you to a selection of templates. ConvertKit offers several pre-designed templates that you can choose from. These are great because they're created with conversion in mind, so you know you're starting with a solid foundation. Take your time to browse through the templates. You'll find options tailored for various purposes, whether you want to promote a lead magnet, set up a sales page, or simply capture email addresses. Once you find a template you like, click on it to start customizing. Now, after selecting a template, you'll enter the editing interface. This is where the fun begins. Here, you can modify text, images, and colors to match your branding. To change text, just click on the text areas. You can type in your headline or description, and if you want to emphasize something, play around with different font sizes, weights, or colors. Next, let's talk about images. If you have specific images you want to use, you can easily upload them. Click on any placeholder image, select Upload, and choose an image from your device. Make sure your images are high quality and relevant to your content, as they can significantly impact your page's overall look and feel. Now, a crucial element of any landing page is a strong call to action, or CTA. In most cases, you'll want visitors to enter their email addresses. This requires a form, which you can easily add to your landing page. You'll find an option to insert a form. Simply drag it to where you want it on your page. When you click on the form, you can customize the fields, so decide whether you want to ask for just an email address or additional information like a name or phone number. After you've placed your form, it's vital to set up what happens next. This is where you can configure a thank you page or a redirect to another URL after someone submits their information. Providing immediate feedback will make your visitors feel valued and more inclined to share their emails. Once you're happy with your design, take a moment to preview your landing page. ConvertKit offers a preview option so you can see how it looks on various devices. This is an essential step to ensure your page is responsive and looks impressive on both computers and mobile devices. When you're satisfied and ready to make your landing page live, look for the Publish option. You will be given a URL for your new landing page, which you can share with your audience. Make sure to promote it through your social media platforms, in your email campaigns, or even on your website to drive traffic. And that's it. You now know how to create a landing page using ConvertKit's landing page builder. As you start to drive traffic to your page, keep an eye on the analytics that ConvertKit provides. This will help you understand what's working and what may need a little tweaking. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up